Welcome back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel, and I have a quick tip for you teachers who are maybe transitioning from some of the Google applications to more of the iPad applications. For example, going from slides to Keynote. So I saw a teacher using this really great slide presentation in her room for some of that test prep that they're doing, getting ready for the STAR test. And the one thing that slide is missing is the ability to write over your slides while you're presenting, which Keynote can do really well, which is nice for students to be able to come up to your iPad, hand them a pen, and they can write over those presentations to explain how they got some of those answers. So I'm going to walk you through how to go from slides into Keynote super quickly on your iPad. So let's jump right in. All right, so here I am in my slides presentation, and I'd like to be able to open this inside of my Keynote. So the first thing we're going to do is on that top right corner, the three dots, I'm going to touch those three dots, and then I'm going to share and export. When I go to share and export, I'm going to look for something that says send a copy. When I click send a copy, I'm going to choose PowerPoint. Even though I'm going to Keynote, I'm exporting this as a PowerPoint. So I'm going to press OK. It's going to think. When it's done thinking, you're going to scroll right here in this middle bar until you see copy to Keynote. Now, a pop-up might come up that says it's missing some of the fonts. No big deal. It will convert it to the font that it needs. Press done. And then just like that, here is that same presentation inside of my Keynote. All right, so the reason this is helpful is on this question, once the kids have done their game of however they answer, instead of having a kid come up to my board to have to write the answer, I can hand them my iPad and either using the pen or long press brings up my tools. So the kid can say, well, I know that two $10 bills is $20, two $5 bills and 7 pennies is 7 cents, and then I can add those up. And I know that it was $30.52. So this gives you that option that Slides doesn't have to be able to write over this. And that same thing will work going from Google Docs to Pages or from Sheets to Numbers. So as you're making those transitions from Google to the iPad apps like Keynote, Pages, and Numbers, this is a great way to get those in there without having to start over. All right, I hope that quick tip was helpful. Thanks for tuning in.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.